In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play on PBE League of Legends. The Public Beta Environment, or PBE, is a separate test server where upcoming features, champions, and balance changes go first. Before we begin, there's one crucial requirement. You need a PBE account granted by Riot. Without that entitlement, you won't be able to access the PBE option or log in, and that's expected behavior. This walkthrough is for those who already have access and want to launch the PBE from the Riot client. Start by opening your Riot client and signing in. On the left side of the client, click the League of Legends icon to open the League game page. Now, look closely at the big play button on the right. Next to it, you'll see a small arrow or a version selector. Click that arrow. A list will appear, and among the options, you should see League of Legends PBE. Click it to switch your client to the PBE version. If your account has PBE access, the client will prompt you to install or update the PBE build. This is separate from your Live League installation, so expect a full download. Let the installation run. Don't worry if it takes a while, as PBE patches can be sizable and sometimes ahead of Live. Keep the client open and let it finish. Once the install completes, the play button will reflect the PBE selection, and you're ready to launch. If you don't have a PBE account, you won't be able to proceed past this point. The PBE option may be grayed out, hidden, or it will ask you to sign in with an eligible account. That's normal. PBE access is controlled by Riot and can't be bypassed from the client. A few quick tips to make things smooth. Make sure you're signed into the exact Riot account that has PBE access. If you recently received access, restarting the client can refresh the available options. Confirm you have enough disk space, since the PBE is a full game installation. Be patient with downloads and queue times. PBE servers can be busier and are designed for testing, so performance may vary compared to Live. Once everything is installed, click play. If prompted, sign in again, and you'll land in the PBE version of the League client. From here, you can queue and play as usual, keeping in mind that content here is experimental and may change before release. To recap, you need PBE access from Riot, then in the Riot client select the League icon, click the arrow next to play, choose League of Legends PBE, and install when prompted. That's all you need to start playing on the PBE.